What's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you again with another video talking about the 8-minute trader. And as you may have guessed, we had another profitable day. This makes day number 12 in a row that they've had consistent wins with this new project. And I am honestly really loving this thing. This is 12 consistent days that they've released it to the public. They've been trading continuously for, I want to say, 163 days, back testing this strategy. And if you weren't in the Zoom call this morning, they did release some news and some new information. They were trading live from Las Vegas this morning. And my sponsor, Jamsey, was out there, and he was getting it in, shaking hands, kissing babies with the owner. And he got to meet his wife as well, who was there, and a couple other leaders in the space. And I'm just really excited about this. Some of the things that are going to be coming soon is they have translators on the Zoom. So if you're someone that is not super strong in English, if you speak Spanish or a different language, they have translators, so you're able to comprehend what's happening on the call. Something else that's going to be rolling out once the platform officially launches is the indicator software. So I don't have it currently on my NT4 chart. I will show you right here. As you can see, it's just pretty much green and red candles right now. But in the middle of the trading session, you'll be able to see the green bars up here, which will indicate a buy if it breaks through at open. And then the red bars at the bottom, if it breaks through that, then more than likely we'll be entering into a sell. And you're going to be getting that indicator as the system actually officially launches. But not only that, they're going to be rolling out a indicator that's going to take place throughout the day. So it's not just at the open. It could take place at any time of the day, and they're going to link it to Telegram, so you'll get notifications on your phone as well. So you could literally be anywhere and making profits with these indicators. So from what I've heard, the owner is actually a little bit more excited about the indicator notification than the breakout at the open. So as you can see here on my screen at the bottom, I took two trades this morning. And when I created this demo account on FX Sway, I made the demo account at $5,000. And as you can see here, the initial deposit was $5,000. But I've been treating this like it's $1,000 account. That's why my lot size is only a 0.01. So yesterday I was kind of just testing it out, and with one trade, and we did $20.50. And this morning I was able to do about 1% if you're taking into account it being a $1,000 account balance. So the first trade, we exited and made about $7 on that. And then the second trade, we had a little bit of drawdown, but we were able to get out and secure some profit at $3.50. And it may not seem like a whole lot, but like I said, this is just a demo account. Keep in mind that on the demo account, I don't believe that commissions, let me see here, commissions are paid out. Oh, they were paid out 7 cents on this. I don't know, based off the broker, if the commission size is going to be the same, which I would imagine it is. This is just through FX Sway, but every broker is different. So please get with your broker. You don't have to use FX Sway, but that's just who I have, and what's easy for me. I didn't have to go through and do a brand new KYC or any of that. But I'm super pumped for the indicators to get dropped. But come in now. Now is the time to get in and test it. Build up a live account if you want to. If you have some trading experience, that way when it comes time for the actual launch, you'll have made that $5.99, and it really won't cost you anything to come out of pocket for that. So yesterday I recorded that video that I made pretty late at night. It was about 11 Eastern when I created that, and there was about 643 people in the official group. And as of right now, me recording this video, it's about noon Eastern. And the Telegram group is up to 818. So a little over 12 hours, and they're up about another almost 200 members in the group. So when I say this thing is catching fire really quick, it's catching fire really quick. So something else I'll drop today on the video is that they are also doing a compound psychology class today featuring Dr. Arizia. And if you want to hop on that, you know, all you got to do is get registered, or you might be able to just hop in by clicking, or if you're able to get access to this link or type that in one way or another. But it's completely free to get into this. You know, once you get in contact with me, shoot me an email. You can find me on Telegram at Nick4214. I'll leave all that info in the description below. Connect with me and I can get you into these Telegram groups and get you pretty much all the information that you need to get started. It's free right now to get started. You guys can't pass up on free. People are making money. They got testimonials like crazy. You know, this is the 12th day in a row that we won consistently. So get in now. I don't know how much longer we're going to be in the free stage before we actually officially launch. But they're saying it could be anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. So now's the time to get in and build. So that way, when it comes time for, you know, the actual launch, you're already in a really good position. So that's the update that I have for you guys today. And I'll be coming back again tomorrow with another video to continue to share my results that I'm getting. I might trade over to my live platform, or I may mess around with the demo a little bit longer. Who knows? But that's all I have for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone that you know, love, and care about. And I will catch you guys on the next one tomorrow. Peace out.